Breast implants come in moderate profile, moderate plus, high profile, gummy bear. What do these terms mean and how should you choose? Hi, I'm Dr. Studin. When you pick your breast implants, not only do you have to pick size and filling material, whether you want silicone or saline, but you have to pick a profile. Profile means how high it is as opposed to how wide it is. The original implants are what they call moderate profile. They were wide with very little projection outward. They were good for cleavage, but they didn't give you much perkiness. The moderate plus implants came along, and moderate plus were a little narrower at each given size and a little higher in the middle. And what that did is it helped you create a little bit of lift. Yes, you traded off cleavage, whereas the implant was a little narrower, so if you center it on the nipple and areola, there's not as much extension towards the middle. But the advantage of the slightly higher profile was also there was not as much out on the side. And people generally don't like what's referred to as side boob. So when you're looking at that sizing, in your sizing session, you have to not only look at size, but you have to look at cleavage in the middle and projection out to the side. Then along came high profile implants, and I think that was a big advance. The high profile implants were a little bit narrower and a little bit higher than the moderate plus. And the advantage of that is that it gave you a significant amount of lift without having to have the scars of a lift. Yes, again, you traded off, there was a little bit less cleavage, but in most cases, the trade-off was worth it because you could always create that cleavage with a bra. Even more recently, formed or shaped implants, originally marketed as gummy bear implants, were developed. And those implants hold their shape no matter what position you're in. And so if you think about that for a minute, when a person with natural breasts lies down, their breasts flatten against their chest and fall out to the sides a little bit. That's natural, it looks natural, it's normal. Shaped implants don't change. So when you lay down, they stand up like two little mountains that don't really react the way a normal breast reacts. And in my opinion, they don't look like a normal breast when you're moving from position to position. The other possible negative with that is that since they hold their shape no matter what, if they twist a little bit, they can look crooked, and you'd have to go back and fix them. The vast majority of my patients either choose moderate plus or high profile, depending on whether they're looking for a little more cleavage or a little more lift at each given size. But again, it's something that you have to stand in front of the mirror, put a sports bra on, put the sizers in the bra, and see what you like, because it's all about making you happy with what you see in that mirror once your implants are there.